Hey guys, Dan TDM here. Today we're going on an epic adventure to find buried treasure in Minecraft. Who doesn't love finding hidden loot? It's like Christmas morning in the game. Imagine this. You're exploring a beach. The sun is shining. Suddenly you spot a shipwreck. Could there be treasure? With a little luck and this handy guide, you'll be swimming in diamonds in no time. So grab your shovels and let's get started. Adventure awaits. Before we start digging, we need the right tools. Luckily, you only need a few things to unearth those hidden riches. First, you'll need a shovel. Any shovel will do, but iron or diamond shovels are faster. Gotta dig quickly to find that loot. Next, you need a treasure map. These maps hold the key to buried treasure locations. We'll talk more about maps in a bit. Finally, bring some torches. It can get dark underground. Plus, torches help you find your way back if you get lost. Safety first, adventurers! Treasure maps are your guide to riches. But how do they work? It's simple. When you hold a treasure map, it shows a picture of the surrounding area. You'll see your character as a white dot on the map. The treasure is marked with a big red X. As you get closer to the treasure, the red X gets bigger. Keep moving until you're standing right on top of the X. That's where you dig. Sometimes the map leads you to tricky spots, like underwater or in caves. But don't worry, the treasure is always there. Section 4. Digging for glory. Alright, you found the red X. Now it's time to dig. Equip your trusty shovel and start digging down. Be careful. Don't dig straight down. You might fall into a cave or lava. Instead, dig a staircase down so you can climb back up easily. As you dig, keep an eye out for a chest. The treasure is usually buried a few blocks underground. You'll know you found it when you see that wooden chest. Once you find the chest, open it up and bask in the glory of your newfound loot. Congratulations, treasure hunter! Section 5. Treasure hunting tips for noobs. Treasure hunting is fun, but here are a few tips for beginners. Always bring extra torches. You never know how long you'll be exploring. Be careful of mobs. Mobs love treasure too. Bring a sword just in case. If you get lost, don't panic. Retrace your steps and look for your torches. Treasure maps can be found in shipwrecks and underwater ruins. Explore those areas carefully. Most importantly, have fun. Treasure hunting is all about the adventure. Section 6. Fun facts about Minecraft treasure. Did you know that buried treasure chests always contain the same items? You'll always find TNT, food, and a golden apple. But here's the cool part. There's always one random valuable item. It could be diamonds, emeralds, or even a heart of the sea. Also, did you know that you can use a map to find treasure more than once? Just don't lose it. Section 7. The loot awaits. Well, there you have it. Everything you need to know about finding buried treasure in Minecraft. Now go out there and start digging. Remember, treasure hunting is all about exploration, adventure, and a little bit of luck. So grab your friends, grab your gear, and let's see what treasures we can uncover together. Happy hunting! Until next time, Dan TDM out.